Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I not only collect dolls, I collect doll clothing patterns, sewing, crochet, and a few knitting actually. And I don't even knit. I mean, I've tried, but I found this on eBay, and it wasn't very expensive. And when I first got it, it didn't put two and two together. But if you look here, it says fits 6.5-inch American mini dolls. So I want to get her cleaned up and we'll make something out of here, but let's take a look. Here are the outfits. They even have underclothes and socks and evidently an umbrella. Little shoes. Let's take a look. Let's take a look and see. It's pretty good instructions too. What I do, I don't cut my books. I take paper or whatever and cut out the patterns. Then I take a Ziploc, small one for this size, and I put my patterns inside there, marking the page and what it is on the pattern, and put those in a Ziploc. Oh, that's cute, that little gown. Oh yeah, these, well, I don't know what I'm gonna make her, but let's make her something. There's tops and is there pants. This is a pretty cool little book. Yeah, there's some shorts, perfect for this time of year. Jeans and khakis. Cool. Let's make her something up. Let's just flip through so you can see. I know I'm going kind of fast, but you could stop it if you wanted to. Okay, here's the pram. Oh, and you take one of those drink umbrellas to start and make it bigger. Okay, that's pretty cute. That's a pretty cute idea. You know, Darren, somewhere I bought a bunch of those umbrellas. I wonder if I could find those one day and actually, I've always thought about doing that. When I clean up my dolls, a lot of people will tell you you can use any soap at all on their hair, and you can. But I've been doing this a lot of years, and I think shampoo, human shampoo, does the best job. Your curls will bounce back better. I just really like it. I use a toothbrush around the joints. This is a soft bristle tooth. Boy, I can't talk. Soft bristle toothbrush around the joints, on the little toes, on the little fingers, and on some faces. Hers, I will not. It's too little, and even soft could knock some of that paint off. So I take one of our older wash rags that is made just for this and clean her entire body. And in places that need it, I use, I started saying Mr. Super Clear, and that's not it. Mr. Clean's Magic Eraser. I've actually made her a couple of things since she had her little bath. Look how well she cleaned up. Look at that hair. Isn't that the cutest? These dolls, most dolls, when you buy them used, clean up so well and so easily. It's a shame not to. Look at that pretty face. Isn't that, I mean, she's just, no one would know that she had a new life going on. Darren makes these little stands. I think I said that if I didn't. And the little shoes. What I made her is, see if I can find it. This has quite a lot in it. And it's, I'm going to make these jeans maybe today. We'll see. I'm trying to finish up Easter. I'm pre-recording this. I'm pretty backed up for the different videos going on. This is the pattern I use. See, it looks really big, but by the time you get your hems and seam allowance in, it works out real well. They do have directions. I will say I'm not impressed with their directions. I'm working on a little raincoat. See if I can find it real quick. And I've done this before. Let's see, here it is. I have done this before with the facing, and it's worked out great. This one, I went by their directions twice. I took it apart, tried it again, didn't work. So I'm just going to do it my way, and then I'll show that to you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I do recommend this book. Would I for beginners? I don't know about that. But on the other hand, you know, if you go step by step, sewing is not rocket science. Think of it as a puzzle. Here are your pieces. You cut it out of fabric, and then you put it together like a jigsaw puzzle. And when you're done, you have a use for it. It doesn't just sit on the table or become a picture. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.